Hi! Do you want to succeed on social media? Great! Then you have been in the best course you could ever dream about. This course is about Canva and all the functions that you can use as the free version as well as the paid one. And you will know everything you need to succeed and create the best layouts for social media. If you wanna succeed on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Meta, this is the best you can ever dream about. My name is Tom. I have helped more than 700,000 students, and together with Tobias, we have created fantastic complete guide to help you to succeed with Canva. The highest value of this course are ready-made templates. Of course, you will become professional even if you have been starting, but you can download the templates, use them, and get ready in few minutes. So please enjoy this course. I'm so happy to welcome you, and please welcome as my new student.